Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about pollution. There are many pollution in our country. Example, water pollution, air pollution, and another pollution. So today I would like to discuss about noise pollution. Noise pollution means much loud and unnecessary sound of our environment. Noise pollution is very dangerous for our health. Noise pollution, what cause of noise pollution? Cause of noise pollution, sound of car, bike, and another cars, and also sound of factory, garments, and loudspeaker. What solution is noise pollution? Stop unnecessary sound and make awareness people, and also stop loudspeaker sound. So noise pollution is very dangerous for our health and environment and our every country. So thank you very much for listening. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.